The air conditioner is broken.
Can I help you?
I have a problem in my room.
What is the problem?
The air conditioner does not work.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is your room number?
307. On the 3rd floor.
Is it hot in the room?
Yes, very hot. I can't sleep.
Did you try to turn it off and on?
Yes, many times. It still does not work.
I will call the repairman.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is in the hotel now. Do you want a fan for now?
Oh, yes, please. Good idea.
I will bring one in 5 minutes.
Will he fix it now?
Yes, if he can. If not, tomorrow.
Okay. And if not?
Then we change your room.
Do I wait in the room?
Yes, please. Stay there. We will come soon.
Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning, madam. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, very well. Thank you.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Your room number, please.
214.
Yes, breakfast is included.
Super. Thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, everything is on the right near the windows.
What food do you have?
We have bread, cereal, cheese, fruit, pastries.
And drinks?
Yes, coffee, tea, orange juice, hot chocolate.
Can I take 2 croissants?
Of course, take what you want.
Do you have yogurt too?
Yes, plain and fruit in the fridge.
And the eggs? Are they ready?
Yes, we have hard-boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I will try scrambled eggs. Can I sit anywhere?
Yes, all tables are free.
I will take the one by the window. I like the light. Do you have butter too?
Yes, next to the jam and honey.
And more juice?
Yes, help yourself. The carafe is there.
What time does the buffet close?
At 10 o'clock. You still have time. If you need something, just ask. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Lost luggage at the airport.
I work in baggage service. Do you need help?
Yes, I lost my suitcase.
Where was your flight from?
From Rome, this morning. Yes, but my suitcase did not come.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket? What color is your suitcase?
Black, with a small yellow tag.
Perfect. I check in the system. Ah, I see. Your suitcase stayed in Rome.
Oh no, what do I do?
Don't worry, it comes tomorrow.
Yes,
We bring it to your hotel.
great. I stay at the Midtown Hotel.
Do I need to come back here?
No,
We call you when the bag comes. Do you need something for tonight?
yes, I don't have a toothbrush.
There is a shop on the right.
Calling a taxi from a hotel.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a taxi.
Do you need it now?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Penn Station. Do you have a train? It is 8:45 now.
You have time, but traffic is busy.
Will I be on time?
Yes, if the taxi comes fast. I will call now. Do you have bags?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I will ask for a big taxi. The taxi will come in 10 to 15 minutes.
Can I wait here in the lobby?
Yes, please sit down.
Can I get a coffee?
Yes, the machine is on the left, near the elevator. Do you want to pay with card or cash? Card, please. Your taxi is here.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Buying a gift.
Can I help you with something?
I'm looking for a gift.
Is it for a woman, a man, or a child?
For a woman, my sister.
What's the occasion? Her birthday. What does she like? Perfume, jewelry, books?
She likes simple, pretty things.
I've got some really popular scented candles. Lavender, vanilla, and orange blossom. Want to smell it?
How much is it?
$12.
Okay, I'll take it.
Anything else?
Maybe a small bracelet?
I've got this silver one, very simple, $20. Want me to gift wrap it? Yes, please.
With a little ribbon?
Will you be paying with card or cash?
Card.
Which bus goes to the park?
I want a bus to the park.
The big park near the museum?
Which bus do I take?
Bus number 12 goes to the park.
Does it come often?
About every 15 minutes.
And the next one?
In about 5 minutes.
Are you here on vacation?
Yes, I visit for 3 days.
Is there a lake?
Yes, a small lake with ducks.
Do I pay to go in?
No, it's free.
Does bus 12 stop at the park?
Yes, at the main gate.
Can I buy on the bus?
Yes, but you need coins.
Have a good trip and a nice walk.
Currency exchange.
Yes, I want to change money.
What money do you want to change?
Euros to US dollars.
How many euros?
200 euros.
Today, 1 euro equals $1.10.
So how much do I get?
About $220 after the fee.
Oh, there is a fee.
Yes, $5. Always the same.
Can I get 20s? And some small bills too.
Would you like a receipt? Do you want to change more money? Is this your first time in the US? How long do you stay?
I go to Times Square this afternoon.
Milk allergy at breakfast.
Good morning, but I have a question. I have a milk allergy. Do you have food with no milk? I want to eat, but I must be careful.
So, no butter? No cheese? No yogurt?
Yes, no milk from cows. Does the bread have milk?
The country bread has no milk.
And the jam?
Yes, it is safe. Only fruit and sugar.
Do you have plant milk?
Yes, almond milk. Do you want some?
Not here, but I can ask the kitchen.
Okay. I tell the kitchen for tomorrow.
Problem with payment at a cafe.
Can I pay? Here is the check. It's $12.
I will pay by card. It doesn't work.
Strange. Can you try again? Maybe the machine. I will restart it.
Do you have another card?
Do you have cash?
I have only $5. Is there an ATM near here?
Yes, 2 minutes. On the corner.
I will go take money and come back.
Do you want a receipt?
I will come back for that.
Conversation on the train.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, sure. Sit down.
Is that your bag up there? Are you going all the way to Washington?
Yes. And you?
About 2.5 hours, I think.
Do you take the train often? I like the car more. Are you going on vacation?
Yes, a few days with friends. Are you from Washington?
There's coffee in the cafe car. Do you have a seat with a number? What are you reading?
A mystery book. I love crime stories.
If you need something, just tell me. Have a good trip then.
You too, and enjoy your book.